Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on announce calls so your iPhone will speak names. First, make sure your device is updated to iOS 14 or later. Updates keep Siri working properly. Then open Settings, tap Phone and choose Announce Calls. Pick Always or Headphones and Car, depending on where you want names read aloud. Once done, grant any Siri microphone or speech permissions when prompted so the system can output the caller name through your speaker or headset. Next, refine how names are spoken by adjusting Siri and your contacts. Go to Settings Siri and Search and pick a Siri voice and matching language so pronunciation is consistent. Then open Contacts and edit entries that Siri mispronounces. Add phonetic first name or phonetic last name fields with simplified spelling. Once you save phonetic entries, Siri will use them. Make a quick test call from a second phone to confirm the new voice and phonetic spelling. Produce the correct spoken name. Finally, validate the setup with a live test and fix common issues. Call your iPhone from another device and listen while it's locked and unlocked. Adjust media/call volume if speech is too quiet. Make sure Do Not Disturb, focus modes, or silence unknown callers aren't blocking announcements. If names still don't speak, restart the iPhone, toggle announce calls off and on, or reset Siri by disabling and re-enabling Siri in settings. If problems persist, check phonetic spelling. That single adjustment often fixes mispronunciations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.